So, you want a VPN in 2020 that gets the job done, and you are probably an occasional user of a VPN, so you don't really want to pay for it. Well, in this video, I'll be covering some great VPN options available on Windows, and also I'll let you know if some of them are available on Mac, but I'm mainly focused on Windows, as well as on web browsers. So I'll be focusing on Chrome. However, some of these VPNs, especially the more popular ones, we've found on Firefox as well. So for each VPN, I'll sort of show you the visual interface, and I'll be taking a look at how the VPN works, as well as some of the customization that you can do within each VPN. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So my first recommendation for using a VPN on PC is using Hotspot Shield, and I believe it's also available on Mac. But this sort of hack / tip I'm going to show you for getting unlimited sort of allowance on the daily data is only on Windows. So you can basically go to the Windows Microsoft Store and download the Hotspot Shield VPN from there. And there's a very particular reason you want to download from there and not from the website, because I'll show you the hack in a second. So let's jump right into the computer and I'll show you guys the tip.
Alright guys, so now let's look into how we can install Hotspot Shield and start using it. So for Hotspot Shield, you could download it off their website, but I recommend downloading it off the Microsoft Store because it allows you to sort of get through that limited data bandwidth for the free plan. Let's see how we can do that. So all you have to do is go and search and type in Hotspot Shield free VPN. And let that load. So as you can see, I already have it installed, so I can just launch it. We essentially just want to install it, it's free. So I just want to launch from here. Let's check this out. So as you guys can see, it sort of shows you start the 7-day trial. I already have a Chrome account signed in. Said all you have to do is go back and click connect. So one thing that's good about this is the simplistic UI. You can see how much downloaded, how much uploaded. Stop. You can also choose from a variety of regions. So let's say I'm going to India. So actually this feature isn't allowed by default, and you can check out the next VPN, which you can actually even choose the server location from. However, this UI is just really nice and it suits my needs. So I'd recommend this for anyone who just wants a simple VPN that gets the job done and they don't rely on actually changing into a particular country.
Now moving on to the second pick, and that would be Setup VPN, and it has really good reviews on the Chrome Web Store and a lot of users as well, and it's recommended by a lot of people. So I'd say this is definitely the way to go if you're wanting unlimited bandwidth, because this essentially, their whole thing is they provide lifetime unlimited bandwidth, and they don't ever cap it, and so it's going to stay that way forever. And I think it's just a really good VPN because you can also sort of choose what country you want to go into, and they have many different servers. So we can take a look now.
So to install any Chrome extensions, and especially VPNs, all you have to go is go to the Chrome Web Store. So the address is right here, so chrome.google.com/webstore, and you should be able to get on there. So here, if I just type in VPN, we'll sort of get a whole list of them. So you can see there's a couple of really popular ones. However, the one I use, which is right here, so Setup VPN, that's the one I use. It's already installed. I just want to install that. I put Setup VPN, and here's the one, Setup VPN. This is the one I've downloaded. It's quite popular, over 1 million users. So you just install that, and now let's see. So if I want to go here, and the UI for this one is also quite simplistic, which I enjoy. So occasionally it'll show you an ad or whatnot, but that's fine. Hotspot Shield is quite good in that way that there's no ads, but other VPNs do have ads. So this is a free account, so you can actually just choose whatever country. So you can just go Poland. It's going to show connecting to Poland, and we're good. So that's really nice. And there's a Windows client and whatnot, but I would recommend if you want to use Chrome, this is a really good one. And that would be it. So if you want to check out the other Chrome VPNs, I'd be here. And some other VPNs and articles that talk about a variety of different VPNs, free and paid, will also be linked in the description. So check that out, guys.
If you liked the video and would like to see more, and leave any comments below if you have any other recommendations for the folks in the comment section, and I'll also sort of verify them if I find that there's any other I guess treasures that you guys link down below. And I would love any feedback for the videos or any video ideas. So with that being said, have a good day.